How to fix always on display not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. If you want to restart, so click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification and status bar. Click on customize icon display and turn off D and D button. After turn off D and D, go back and you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, scroll down and click on additional settings. Click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. After click on media settings and media DRM settings, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, go back to home screen, refresh phone and click on settings app and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity option, click on reset settings. Enter your phone pin, click on OK and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix always on display not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.